My name is Dr. Jackson Innocent Katunzi, resident ECSACOG Year 2. I'm excited today to share you my experience concerning ECSACOG as a resident in Obstetrics and Gynecology.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Dr. Emmanuel Manyonyi. I'm a resident 2 under ECSACOG College at Mount Meru Hospital in Arusha.
Thank you. My name is Edwin Augustine. I'm Year 1 resident, ECSACOG resident, currently doing my training at Mount Meru Hospital in Arusha, Tanzania.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ahmed Limo. I'm from Zanzibar, currently in Mount Meru Regional Hospital as an ECSACOG fellow resident in Year 1 currently. I'm so excited to share my experience with ECSACOG program with you guys. So let's get on it.
How did you hear about ECSACOG and what motivated you to join the program?
So ECSACOG has been going around my circles with people discussing about it, but I got serious information about it through social media, through their Twitter profile, their X profile, whereby they were announcing their positions to join the program. I wasn't quite interested or motivated to join in until I spoke to some of the other fellows. They were very motivated about the program and they recommended the program to me as one of the best programs in terms of skills and knowledge compared to what we have right now, traditionally.
First of all, I was interested to be a gynecologist and obstetrician. So I have been searching for the college which I can pursue my course. And then I had my friend who was under COSEXA, and by name is called Dr. Mugisha, who was introduced to me about ECSACOG. And then we went to the headquarters here in Arusha. We searched for the information, and then we got the information that the college will be established later. But we thank God the college was established last year. But also our medical officer in charge called us. We were registrars. He called the registrars of the hospital, and then we gathered together. Then he told us about the college, and then we applied. I was one among the applicants. After the applications, that's when I was selected to join.
Well, I first heard about the program from one of my mentors while I was working as a general practitioner. I used to work as a general practitioner in BGI department. That is when I heard about the program and the plan for the program to be started at Mount Meru. So I applied right after I heard that there was a program at Mount Meru for my senior.
So my first time I hear about ECSACOG, it was through the website of ECSACOG. So when I was searching, I found that there is that opportunity of fellowship concerning obstetrics and gynecology. So I was able to apply and I go through an interview. Then I was succeeded and come to join ECSACOG resident. So before that, I was working at Ngarenaro Health Center. The facility most of the time concerned with giving service to pregnant women and children under 5. So there I developed the interest of obstetrics and gynecology, and I searched for the university or the school or the colleges that offer masters or fellowship in obstetrics and gynecology.
How has the ECSACOG impacted your professional development and training?
So ECSACOG until now, second year, I can see the difference between when I came in and until this time, in terms of giving service to this pregnant woman, and as long as gynecology is concerned, I'm capable of doing a different procedure at my level as a resident Year 2. But also I'm able to solve different complications as obstetrics and gynecology is concerned, and saving the life of women. So I can see the difference between when I came and up to now.
Yeah, ECSACOG has been impacted a varsity of knowledge, including hands-on skills, the knowledge and the experience on how to manage different cases pertaining to obstetrics and gynecology. Specifically in our hospital, we are having a variety of cases which are being referred from other periphery hospitals. And actually they are complicated cases. For instance, the eclamptic patient, a patient with PPH, and also abortions and sepsis. Those are some of the cases which are complicated, but through an exposure and experience from our mentors, I have been equipped with the knowledge and the skills on how to manage those different kinds of cases. And the knowledge and the skills which have been equipped, it is very helpful. Yeah, and it gives me the courage and the confidence on how to manage very properly these patients and to make sure they are safe and they improve due to that difficult conditions.
So far as an MD, I've completed my studies around 4 years ago, and I've been working here and there, but then starting with ECSACOG, from day one, I knew it was going to be a vigorous training program, and it was. I'm glad that I had so much support in adapting towards the program, and the program has been very supportive towards us. I can say my skills have drastically improved. My judgment according to patient base judgment has really improved. Yeah.
What would you say have been the most valuable lesson or skills you've gained from ECSACOG?
There's a lot, actually. There's so many things that I have learned. Most of it is the management part of the cases that we are attending to. The program has given me exposure to a lot of what I would say were difficult cases or rare cases that you would otherwise not see unless you're working in a referral hospital like Mount Meru. So the program has given me exposure to those rare, I would say rare cases or difficult cases, and it has given me exposure to actually attend to this patient primarily as a resident.
So coming to ECSACOG, I was knowledgeable to some extent, but not so much. But I would say that my clinical judgment, according to every case, is the most valuable thing I can take from ECSACOG. Taking every patient as she is, as they are, how they come to you, their background and what they present to you, it's quite important. And that's something that I really value. Treat every patient as they are, as how they come to you.
How has the mentorship and support from your trainers and peers helped you in your journey?
Yeah, mentorship program has been helpful to me because I have been having the mentors. We have mentors here, more than 4 mentors, which they help us, they mentor us, they guide us, but also they give us skills and knowledge, and they give us a chance to put hands on skills on how to manage and doing different procedures. Apart from doing those procedures in our hospital here at Mount Meru, we have been also exposed to other hospitals outside the countries. For instance, I have been attached to in Kenya at Kijabe Hospital, and also in Ethiopia, whereby we have been attached there for like a week at St. Paul's Hospital. And that has been helped us to have a new exposure and experience, and also how to manage difference and new ways of treating different cases, but also how to diagnose, doing an obstetrical ultrasound, and also how to monitor labor progress by using a CTG machines, and also by exposing and observing other procedures like laparoscopic procedures and so forth. So the mentorship has been good. It has been good, and has been good and very helpful.
So starting with the peers, the support from the peers is quite good. We have a very good relationship among ourselves as residents. My fellow year ones, we go together according to our schedule, in how we train together in the procedures. They too are quite supportive in teaching us new skills in how to deal with so much challenges when we when we're in the theater, when we're attending patients, doing procedures. In terms of the mentors have been quite supportive also. They're very willingly to share their knowledge, to share their time. They give you time to adapt. They give you time to assimilate what they've given you at that moment.
What are your goals moving forward, and how do you see ECSACOG continuing to support your journey?
So my goal is to finish and go back to where I was being employed. I'm expecting at this level, after I finish, with my knowledge, at my best knowledge, to reduce maternal death. Also, there are different complications that arises from primary facilities and death center. I'm expecting to go there and to give a better knowledge to my colleague, and is also expecting a lot from me. So I'm expecting that I will be able to reduce maternal death and the child mortality rate.
Yeah, my goal is to be a best and a good obstetrician and gynecology. That's my goal. And in order to achieve those goals, I'm looking forward to see the ECSACOG being supplying and providing all the mentorship and also guiding so that I can reach my goals. And also by having more exposure on how to manage different cases here and also even somewhere else, even outside the country, so that I can acquire and be equipped with a well knowledge so that I can manage different cases in obstetrics and gynecology, for particularly in our hospital, which receives complicated cases as a referral cases to our hospital, so that we can manage them at a very highly quality and in a standardized way, so that every mama who comes here and who meets us receive a proper care and improve the health condition which she will be having. Yeah.
Moving forward, I hope ECSACOG does grant me a specialist qualification. That's the important stuff that I came here for. But then what I see in myself, I want to be a specialist, not just by name, not just by title, but I want to be acknowledged one, to act like one, to be considered as one, not just by my peers, but by patients too. I want to provide high quality treatments to my patients. I see ECSACOG moving forward in a direction whereby we have enough obstetricians, enough gynecologists to serve the region, East, Central, and Southern Africa. And bringing ECSACOG into the region, I hope and I'm sure that will get there. We want a standardized form whereby all obstetricians have a standard to attain to. Yeah.
What are your final thoughts on ECSACOG and recommendation to others?
I think it's a good program. It is with ECSACOG residency. It is a little bit different from what we are using in the country as in master's program. With ECSACOG residency, there is a lot of I would say exposure to cases and patients as compared to master's program. So my recommendation is to anyone that wants to join, or anyone that wants to learn on the ground, to get to do the surgeries, to get to see the patient, to get to touch the patient, to attend the patient, it is a very good program. We also have a lot of literature, a lot of classes. Some are being provided by the program itself, and some are being conducted by the facility. So it's a very good program.
Yeah, my recommendation to the ECSACOG, I recommend that they keep on enrolling and supporting the doctors who apply, and also to expose them more on hands-on knowledge and skills, so that they keep on being best and good doctors ever in the region, in the country, but also in the hospital.
So my thought is it should be more advertised, because it is something that can help our government as we are going ahead to reduce maternal mortality, we need a lot of expertise. And I think it is something that most of doctors can achieve, because it is not that much expensive. So most of doctors can achieve this. But also it is the government should empower ECSACOG, because it is something that you can go and learn in your nearest area. As I am living in Arusha, the accredited hospital is Mount Meru. So it is near the place, near my environment. But also, I think we should expand more to areas like Dodoma and other areas. ECSACOG should expand.
So ECSACOG, highly recommended, according to me. If you want quality education, you want quality knowledge, you want quality skills, ECSACOG is for you. And I would recommend to anyone who really wants to get there, to be the obstetrician they think they can be the most and exert their potential to their max.
Thank you so much for taking your time to share your
Thank
story
you all.
with us.
Welcome to ECSACOG.